Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of memory low on the application of Slack. You will click on settings. In this page you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you can search about Slack and you will enter here. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Then you can go to first stop. When you click on first stop, you will go to storage. After that, you can click on clear cache. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.